Generate engaging shorts videos just by clicking from your long video. Let's see how to do it. Search Google for FlexClip and then open the FlexClip.com website. Now you can see this site's popular tools here. I would like to continue with the AI long to short video converter. Click on Get Free Clips. Now you can upload your long video from your file, Google Drive, or YouTube link. I am going to make a short video from a MrBeast video. Let's copy this video link and paste it here. Now you can select the text language, clip type, duration, and ratio, and if you need subtitles, you can enable them. You can also make sure to capture a specific moment by writing your prompt here if needed. After checking that everything is okay, click Generate. For short video generation, wait a few minutes. After it is generated, check the video quality.
I can't feel my toes.
Can you feel my touch?
Barely.
Oh, your feet are cold.
Uh-oh.
Oh, he has no color in them.
Oh,
That
God.
is not good.
No, stick it in my armpit. My big toe's never that flat on the top.
Chandler's got white toes, probably frost nip, so we've got to get him warmed up quick before it turns into frostbite.
Unfortunately for Chandler, Mother Nature had another surprise waiting for us. Anyone want to shave their head and leave?
I'm really thinking about
Well, too bad, because the pilot just said that it's too snowy. He can't fly.
Yeah, hang in there.